So I'm going to wash this. I'm not going to show you how I'm going to be washing vegetables and fruit. I'm going to wash it and put it in the refrigerator. You know how to wash damn vegetables and fruit. Broccoli, because we can put it in everything. And the idea of having this much broccoli and setting this aside, don't wash it. I didn't tell you to wash it. Do you want it to go bad? No, you wash it when you need it. We're prepping. Cut it down the middle. The reason why I say broccoli is we need fillers. We are trying to be lazy. Not really trying to be lazy, but we know the truth and we're not going to fool ourselves. And if these things aren't chopped, this okra is just going to sit in the refrigerator and go bad. So we know ourselves. We're going to let it go bad. We can make roasted sweet potatoes in the morning, and all we have to do is season it. So we're going to let this be diced like this. Okay, we want it small for fast cooking, and this will be for our breakfast recipe. And you know what? We could probably use it as a side for our roasted fish. I like to preserve mine in water because when I'm ready to use it, it's just ready and fresh for me. It tastes much fresher. Let's stick this in the refrigerator. We are going to dice some peppers, put some to the side for sauteing because we don't want to be cutting all of this at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. No, you want to already have this cut up so that you can just take it, put it on the stove so that you don't overeat rice or pasta. It's great to put your favorite vegetable. And look, if this is not your favorite vegetable, get your favorite vegetables and substitute. I am ready to have stew. I am going to just take this whole thing and blend it. If we have meat for days, there we go, we will not feel lazy to do things. So, break it. We're going to roast it like so. It's gunky right now. That's okay. It's gunky like this because it's fresh. Like, they killed it for me. Fresh. Not frozen. Like, it's never been frozen before. We're going to mash it up so that when we press it to juice it out, it's easy. Yeah. And we're going to take this onion wedge and scrub the skin. And it's going to remove all of that disgusting, nasty gunk. Rinse this. When it's not gunky on the skin anymore, you look, see how it doesn't drop. So we've prepped everything. Everything is right here, prepped and ready to go. We're gonna stick this in the refrigerator. And then all you have to do is stay tuned for all of the tutorials.